with the gown. Manners. Camera make y'all look goody. My dear. Oh no, can't come for me now, we know joke. So, tell me why me in the pressure the meat and up in the pressure cooker when me look the pot head fly up a piece of heat like me hand me fling him. Guys, look at my
right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think.
So hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fee, otherwise known as Mal now. Anyways guys, so I can't believe that me just get up out of my bed, but look at the time. It's currently 11:28 and I just got up out of my bed. Why? Anyways, it's currently extremely cold outside because I'm still we're experiencing a cold front in Jamaica right now. I think it's a snowstorm that is impacting the US. Is kind of affecting us, but it really cold people, and me never plan to get up out of my bed. But anyways, today is basically a reset video. What we'll be doing is baby local cooking, cleaning, and dolly dong. So stay tuned and see what comes up next. Alright guys, so it's currently now 12 o'clock. I'm still not enough for the time it almost to make it up. So I can spread my bed and then get a few little things done, clean the bathroom and start cooking my dinner, okay?
Just keep on pushing.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never.
So last night I feel a drop. Drop how much my phone, then he will see which gun he must say about pin, yeah?
Just keep on pushing.
I gave you the
From my room, it smells so good. It's the Downy lavender vanilla, and I have it in the Downy seeds, so it's really fabulous guys, really fabulous. Smells good, make your room smell good, your clothes them when you wash them, chef kiss. So me just normal express. I'll make it make sense, cause me really not understand. So it's a matters. But this is what I normally do on Sundays. Sometimes on Saturday, more wash and then look something there. Yeah. But I think the most cutest thing about living alone, when me make my bed, nobody no play up. When I clean my house, nobody no play up. More than my little cats. But you'll meet her very soon because your girl is her grandma. Yeah. The girl told me a grandmother already. My dear. Oh God. But yeah guys, so me basically don't spread out my bed now. But I don't know, I'm supposed to clean the bathroom. Guys, you would have believe me say me doing nothing? You would have believe me say I don't eat nothing from money. And it's a dirty habit. If you get up late, because I'm not a morning person. If you want to see me dark off, or if you want to spoil my day, wake me up early, bro. Yeah, we see. Like me just go off. I hate it. I don't like when nobody wake me up from my sleep, which is not actually good because I start my mind them late and I'm not eating on time. I know what I can bring to the dial. Gas. Yeah. If you don't see me from us in the room, you can't just tell us that I'm just a girl, okay? I'm just a girl. I will love the pink. Will love the pink. This is actually my favorite shade of purple to lavender. But something pink has to be in it as well. But any day I get a full body mirror, you see, you cannot talk to me, okay? But yeah. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see y'all when I'm cooking, okay? Yeah, finish cleaning the room, so I just clean up the bathroom. Yeah, all of this me do fast down there and then me finish cook. Or go cook, I should say. So, yeah. For one thing, do I? Yeah. Alright, I need to stop that. But okay. So yeah guys, we just finished. I finished tidy the bathroom and so me wanna when we finish, okay? Bro.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never.
Alright guys, now that the curry is burned, I'm just gonna let it simmer a bit and then I have to pressure it. So we're doing curry beef, stew, and rice and peas and potato starch. Rice there, so she are going to better down the same there. Yeah. Yeah, so the beef is actually being pressured now. Rice will be soon done anytime now. Okay guys, this is my dinner. Y'all can cook, okay? Guys, when I can't believe it from money, me just don't cook. Suck a salt, miss. Guys, I have to go now and joke. So, tell me why me in the pressure the meat and up in the pressure cooker when me look the pot head fly up a piece of heat like me hand me flinging. Guys, look how much me burn up myself. Mercy. Look how much me burn up myself. That's crazy though. So now me have to end up buy one new pressure cooker which I think it do it time though because I had it like probably for 3 years now, so I think it probably do its time now. Who knows, maybe or still be my stay for the night. Bombshell. Focus, camera, focus. Bombshell by Victoria's Secret. Your camera now focus. To hell with that. But yeah, we gonna get something to eat now. Cause practically a bedtime now for me. My idea practically done. Practically. Yeah. So, alright guys. I'll see y'all when I see you. Gooding. My dear. Oh, can come for me now, you know. This is not filter. This is natural beauty, okay? Natural. This is no filter. This is all natural, okay? Cute. Now my man time. Oh God, you need to get it together, girl. You need to get it together. Cute na my man time. Alright guys, it's now 7:51. And if you are still here, it means that you have made it to the ending of this video. Thank you so much for watching the doll, y'all. Thank you so much for watching me. Make sure you continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because every day we'll come with more and more bang. Okay, period. Okay, see y'all in the next one.